Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Wow, what a what a day, what a movement. I already announced in the previous video that there will be quite a bit of volatility today, and yeah, indeed we saw volatility and we saw it to the upside. So a few things to mention here. We obviously had the CPI come in at 8.5%. As I mentioned in the last Bitcoin video today, in the last Bitcoin video, should CPI come below 9.1%, I expected a bullish move. Now we saw that bullish move. This bullish move, however, is with the 8.5% even stronger than I would have thought, and it is perfectly in line with the higher level bullish scenario here. That retracement that happened yesterday, it faked us out, and I have to do another U-turn while I'm investigating here this wave pattern, because it's looking different. Now with this move today, as we have broken above 1815, the move to the downside is for now neutralized. I said in the video earlier today, should we go above 1815, then I think we are not going to go lower at the moment in this wave 2. So where are we? Let me just explain where we now are with the updated wave count, because a few things have changed here now. Basically what I do, I'll go basically back to the previous wave count that I had the day before yesterday, before this strong move down happened, with slight changes. Okay, so let me just explain. So at the moment, the main scenario I'm following here, so things haven't changed. The trend is still up. Yeah, that's the first thing to mention here. So in my opinion, and that is why I give it a 65% probability, and I mention that in every video, the trend for Ethereum is still up. So we are bullish at the moment. Therefore, I always say 65% for the bullish breakout scenario, which doesn't mean there is no bearish scenario anymore. There is one, but I would only give it a 35% probability, which is less than for the bearish scenario of Bitcoin. That means Ethereum has a really good chance that the low is already in. Everybody needs to understand that. Okay, we have a really realistic chance here. So we can count here a wave 1 unchanged, a wave 2 unchanged, a wave 3 unchanged, a wave 4 unchanged. And here we had yesterday, due to the strong sell-off, the question if this here was the wave 5, and it looked like we were already heading down here in wave 2. So that all of this entire 5-wave move, the correction of that has already started due to the strong move down. But I always told you, below 1560, this gets much more likely. Okay, below 1560, I expected a move into the region between 1440 and 1230. Now, that was the one possibility. At the moment, it's rather looking like this is not how it's going to play out. The other possibility was that we made our 5-wave move up. Well, we made 4 waves. That wave 5 wasn't complete yet, and that all that we saw was here another wave 1 and the wave 2 that would also be corrected, and that we then moved higher. Now, I'm not going to take you through the entire history of the chart, but due to the strong U-turn that we did here above the 50-day moving average, this scenario is not playing out either. So we are even more bullish again. So we go back basically to my scenario that we talked about 2 days ago. Yesterday I had to adjust it because due to this move down, it became less likely. Okay, but we are continuing to go up. So what is the latest scenario here? So latest scenario in my opinion is that we are currently forming here an ending diagonal pattern, which means there is not, at least that's how it's looking like for me at the moment, there is not much more juice in this. At the moment, this is how it's looking like. So at the moment, I would argue that we have done here a wave 1 to the upside. This was a wave 2. This is how I had it a couple of days ago. This here, the wave 3, a shorter wave 3, yeah. I took the wave 3 off the chart yesterday after this strong move down, but looking at what the chart did today, yeah, this is looking to me like an ending diagonal pattern, meaning a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5, which could then finish off this wave 5. Okay, so that's currently how it's looking like. And also what we need to understand is that one key target in an ending diagonal for a wave 5 is the length of the wave 3 and the length of the wave 5 are the same. Now at the moment we are not there yet. Target for that would be $1,909 US. So basically we made that sharp U-turn today after the CPI data release. This makes me now again investigating different possibilities here. One is this one with the ending diagonal for that wave 5. So this is an option that I certainly now follow. So we could expect here a little bit higher if we break out of this sort of ascending channel. And another option, if we go above $1,909, then what I would consider is that basically that we have indeed finished the wave 5 already here. So basically the scenario that we already talked about this morning, that this 5-wave move is already complete and that this was a wave A to the downside, that this is a still unfolding wave B, with an overshooting wave B basically, that could go higher still, and we would then come down in the end in a wave C, so that we have a still unfolding expanded flat here, which looked like yesterday due to the strong sell-off was already finished up here at the wave, what I have currently labeled as a wave 3 high, but didn't play out due to the U-turn today. So it will be interesting how for this scenario, however, I would now like to see how the waves are going to unfold further. To be honest, my strategy in this market, I'm not accumulating any ETH at the moment. I said that already a few days ago. I did start to take profits because I believe we are sort of getting to the end of this wave. Yeah, even so, if this is the exactly this scenario here, I think at some point here, latest at 1909, we should come down. The overshooting wave B scenario is also limited at some point, and will come down. Now there is one more super bullish option, but I would like to see how this is unfolding. I'd like to see a bit more price action. That would also come on the table if we go above 1909. But I'm not gonna plan for that, right? Therefore, I'm starting to take some profits of my swing trading portfolio, as I mentioned before. I leave most of it at the moment here in the trade. I don't sell all of my ETH, not yet, absolutely not. I hold more on the HODL portfolio anyway, so I'm not touching those. But this is just my swing trading portfolio, and I will sell more if we go higher, because that wave 2 that you see on the chart will happen at some point anyway. So at the moment it's a bit uncertain. I think the risk to the upside is getting greater, which means that we are soon going to be exhausted at some point. So especially if we look at the performance of ETH compared to other cryptos. For me, a little bit too uncertain to just speculate to buy here now. I'd rather think about taking profits now. That's my own view, my own strategy. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe, and also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And for both, you can find the links in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.